My name is Mayela Andrea Corredor Herrera. Trabajé con mi compañera Yasmín González. Code is 2020122817. Teacher Andrea Pinto. The Theories of Everything. Stephen Hawking. They say the Pisces is one of the academy fields that has had the most revelations in a while. If the hands done an investigation with gold canon, avoid black holes. With gold canon, it will rare their publication. It is said that the through about the multiplication galaxy that might exist. They say the last moment of his lips to continue with his investigation. If everyone agrees, it was one of the brains the means in theoretic pitches. They say that the performance his calculations in his office, although his cause no more his body. One day, Wedwith did only do say some of his research coming through the technology continues to advance. Minds and formations portal says that his research has been a great contribution of the history of science. You can see their hard effort with low close. The side they check his work through the calculations because it could not be otherwise. The results say that here are several galaxies of while we don't know canon. In his theory were discouraged, he worked through mathematical calculations, but no true practices. In the science, agrees the code would down in a story with it. The next say that had the never stopping creating theories to shoot upper perspectives. Thank you.